Hello everyone, my name is Ms.zhera. I am a science teacher at Lezan Private Basic School. Today we are going to explain two new rules for grade 8. We will start in the first rule, velocity of falling object. We have in here is the velocity falling of the object. The rule says delta V equal G times T. Let's know each character inside the rule. What's the delta V? Delta V, change in velocity. Change in the velocity. What measuring by what? Measuring by meter per sec. This is delta V. What's the G? G, the acceleration due to gravity. G, they have a constant value. G, gravity, they have a constant value equal 9.8 meter per sec square. What about T? T, time. Time, as you know, measuring by sec over hour. In here we will using C. So the rule say delta V equal G times time. G delta V change of the acceleration measured by meter per sec. G gravity. How much gravity? 9.8 meter per sec square. T times sec. Measuring by sec. For understanding this rule, we have a question in here. We will solve the question. A penny at rest and drop it from the top of fall. Stairwell, what is the penny's velocity after it has a falling for 2 sec? 2 sec in here, this is time. And what about what do you need the question? Velocity. So for understanding the question, have to know separated what we have and what do you need. We have velocity, we don't have a velocity unknown, but we have time. How much time? Time equal 2 sec. As you know, we have a gravity, they have a constant value equal 9.8 meter per sec square. This is gravity, cannot be changed. In all of the question like that, we will using this is amount, this is value. 9.8 meter per sec square. So in the first step, we will write down the rule. The rule say delta V equal G times time. How much G? 9.8 meter per sec square. How much time? 2. 2 sec. This is sec moving with this is 6 squares. And how much? 9.8 times 2 equal 19.6. But what about the unit? Don't forget the unit in the last. It's too much important. Meter per sec. So what are you doing when you have a question depending for the gravity and velocity? So reading the question the first time, separated what we have a noun or noun inside the question. So we don't have velocity, we will find out velocity. We have a time, and G, we have constant value. So write down the first step, the rule, delta V equal G times time, G and times 2 equal 90.6. Don't forget the last thing is in the end, what's count by what? Delta V. Delta V count by meter per sec. This is about changing the velocity. We'll go to the sign, Newton's second law of motion. We have a rule in here is about Newton's second law, F equal M times A. What's F? F, it's the force. Measuring by what? By Newton. By capital letter N, it means measuring by Newton. What's M? M mass. Measuring by what? By kilogram. What's A? A, it means acceleration due to gravity equal 9.8 meter per sec square. This rule can be write down by this way, and you can write down by another way to find out the acceleration. Say A equal F over M. This one using to find out the force, this one using to find out the acceleration. Same thing is. In here we have a question to understand Newton's second law. We will solve this question. What is the acceleration of 7 kilograms? So as you know, kilogram unit to measure mass. This is M. And after that we have force. How much the force? 68.6 Newton. This is the force. It means force and mass noun, but acceleration and noun. So you solving this question using this way to write down the rule. A equal F over M. How much F? We have 68.6 measuring by what? Newton. And how much M we have? 7 kilogram. When divided 68.6 over 7, divided 68.6 by 7 equal 9.8. So when you calculate it, equal meter per sec square. This is, you can find out the acceleration by this way. In the first time, have to understand the question, because if you understand the question, the half of the answer you know. So that's enough for today about the velocity and Newton's second law. Have a nice time. Wish you all the best for you.